How to trade supports and resistance successfully. 1. Buy at support and sell at resistance. And 2. Buy when price breaks above resistance and sell when price breaks below support. There are only two strategies for any trader to use to trade any financial market. It's very simple, but the hard way is how you know to choose the strategies with the right context. For the uptrend, you buy at support or you buy break above the resistance levels. For the downtrend, you sell at resistance or you sell when price break below the support level. And when the market in the trading range, you buy low, sell high and scalps because you don't know the directions the price will go in the future. So you only scalp in the trading range. Now, for example here, the AUD-USD pair and the daily chart. You can choose any time frame you want because it's worked on all market and all time frame. First, you need to identify a support and resistance levels. If you don't know how to identify the support and resistance levels, you can check the previous video. I will show you. In the previous video, I show you how to trade with how to identify support and resistance. Now, let's begin with here. We have a resistance level, and we have a support level. Price break below support level. This level become resistant, right? Here, support level. This is support levels. When price bounce at support level, break below the support, become a resistance. You can see when price at resistance, price reversed. This is a downtrend, right? And you can count its high, low, high, high, low, 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 high, right? Low, 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 high is a downtrend. When the market in the downtrend, you're looking for sales, and this is a right support levels. Break above become resistant, and support level break become resistant. When you are new to the market, I suggest you to mark like this to study the market, how price reacts at these support and resistance levels. These levels, price retract 1 to 3 times and break above. When price break above this resistance levels, these levels become a support, right? This level become a support, and the market now in the uptrend. When the market in the uptrend, we will look into buy a support here, and this is the resistance level. So when the market in the uptrend like this, you have a higher high and higher low. The high probability trade is buy at support, buy at these levels, or you trade when price break out the resistance, right? When the market in the downtrend. market in the lower high and lower low. The high probability trade is sell at resistance and sell when price break below the support levels, when price break below support levels. Okay, this is a high probability trade. It's trade with trend, trade with uptrend, trade with the downtrend. This is when you are new. I suggest you to trade with a trend, but when you when you're familiar with the market, your skills increase and you can trade both ways. But the key is always buy at support and sell at resistance, and buy when the market break above the resistance, and sell when market breaks below the support. It's very simple like that. Many traders confuse you when they add more indicators, more than they put everything and make the system and sell to you. So it makes you confused and you think trading is hard. Actually, trading is very simple but not easy. You need to put the time to study, to practice, and when you practice support and resistance level, you have a support and resistance level skills. You can read support and resistance or identify support and resistance easily. Your trading levels will have a higher level. Your trading skills will higher than the newbie. So I think support and resistance is the key to trade any financial market. Very easy to understand and very easy to apply it, but if you don't know how to trade with support and resistance, you need to put the time to study it. Okay, now another example, and as you can see here, the market high, low. It's high, and I will high, low, high, low, right? We have a downtrend. Downtrend shows downtrend, right? Downtrend sell as resistance here, right? Downtrend sell as resistance. Very easy, right? If you put the time to study, you will have a skill to read the market, and you also have the skill to plan a trade before it's happened. But trading is a probability. You cannot win 100%. You cannot win all the trade. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and remember, the winner is more than the loser. You will have a positive trading strategy. It means these strategies will make you money over time. When you have a loser more than the winner, you have a negative trading strategies, and I suggest you to write what you do wrong and study, and don't make it anymore, so you can change your losing strategies into the winning strategy. And remember to control your risk, only risk 1 or 2 or 5% per trade. Don't go all in, right? So that is how to trade support and resistance levels successfully is very simple. Good luck and good trading.